Today, folks, I'm going to show you an engineering tool that I use called Rockwell Automation Integrated Architecture Builder, or IAB. I'm going to click this guy here and launch it. First thing it asks you if you want to use an internet connection. Generally no, unless you know that there's some updates or you haven't updated in a while. So the purpose of this software is to put together bills of material or systems to make sure that everything will work as far as electrically. Will these components work with these processors, or will this Ethernet adapter work with these I/O cards? This is for Rockwell Automation products only. Just to get you going, I'm going to do a basic project here with hardware and give it a name. We'll just call it Plant, for lack of a better term. So first thing it asks is what kind of processor we would like. Let's just choose a L1 controller here. We can give it a name if we want. We'll stick with the default. From that, we see that we have some I/O slices. We have our chassis over here. So what we got to do is add in an L1 controller. I'm going to choose this one here up to 6 I/O modules. Drop in my controller. From there, I can start adding in I/O cards. So I'll scroll down here at the bottom. I'm going to scroll down here and select the .IO modules that I can place in that rack. This works with Flex, Logix, .IO. And you can see I put in an AC input card, and because it's normally a DC bus, that it already automatically adds a field powered distributor. If I switch back in my layout, if I switch back and maybe went with an analog, maybe add in a 2-channel current, you can see that it adds in one as well. These are things that are not normally, that you wouldn't think of, that you might make a mistake. I can also go in and configure my chassis, change the number of modules. Let's see right here, I tried to decrease it, it wouldn't let me because I was going less than the amount. It shows how much backplane current is being used. And I can also change the terminals, whether I want to use screw terminals or one-piece terminal blocks or two-piece terminal blocks. I'm going to select the two-piece, 2-wire. Hit apply, and that changes it. Hit OK. Now we have a nice bill of material. At that point, we can also copy this to a clipboard. We can also connect it to an Ethernet network. And so here's what I will do next. So let's create a bill of material. Now this bill of material, the pricing here at this time is list price, but I want to show you that it actually goes a step forward and goes ahead and adds in everything that you need. You could take this information and export it to an Excel spreadsheet, send it to your local distributor, which would be CED, or you could also export it to Proposal Works. Not sure if you use that. So this is a handy utility. It has Compact Logix, Micro 800, Micro Logix, Control Logix, Compact Logix. There's Wizards. It does panel views. You see a slew of products that it uses. So if you're an engineer or someone that picks out components at your local facility, I highly recommend downloading this, and I'll put the download link in the notes to this video. Have a good day.